Hi everyone, I have created applications using Flutter and published on Google Play Store as well as on Apple App Store. You can see that those applications are live now on the Google Play Store as well as Apple App Store. This is the Google Play Store and this is the Apple App Store. You can see there are Apple App Store published and this is the Google Play Store. In this total video, I will share how can you publish your applications on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. I have provided everything you need to do to publish the applications: account, developer account creation, accounts basic setups, app setups, close testing which is required for nowadays or to publish Android applications on Google Play Store, and after testing how can you make it live. If you got an error, how can you solve that? Everything I have covered on this video. You can see the video on the description box. I have provided the link.